Hey guys, how are you guys doing today? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to recreate this look right here. Super fast, super easy. I actually only used 4 colors. Now, I'm all about the crazy eyeshadow looks, but ever since I became a mom, I'm all about the fast, easy, simple, but I also want it to look really elegant. So I absolutely love this look. You can wear it all year round. You can wear it during the day, and you can slap some eyeliner on like I did in my waterline and wear it as a night look as well too. But this look will look good during the winter, the spring, the summer, and the fall. So you can definitely wear this all year long. So if you want to find out how to recreate this very simple but elegant look, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. Hey guys, now let's start off this look by priming those eyes. I'm using Younique's Splurge Cream Shadow in the color Victorious. This is actually a cream shadow and can be worn on its own, but it also works great as a primer. Absolutely love this color. I'm using Younique's cream shadow brush and placing the cream shadow all over my lid, all the way up to my brow bone. But you know what? This is a very fast, easy look, and I'm gonna try to keep it as simple as possible. So I'm just gonna use my finger to apply the rest of the primer all the way up to my brow bone and all over my lid. All right, the first color I'm going to be using is this color called Lively. It's a matte orange and absolutely gorgeous. All right, so I'm taking Younique's Fluffy blending brush and going in the crease of my eye. Now, if you don't have any crease, don't worry, you can actually create one. And I'm going back and forth in windshield wiper motions. Now, these are highly pigmented, so start off with a little product and work your way up. It's a lot harder to get a lot of product and try to blend it out. So just start off slow and work your way up. Now, if you want it to be a little bit darker, then you can go ahead and add more. As you can see, I went ahead and wanted a little bit darker, so I just added more product. This is a lot easier to do than going in reverse. So just keep blending that out, windshield wiper motions, back and forth, until you find the desired look. Now, this next step is completely optional. I'm taking the same brush, same color, and going underneath my eyes for the under eye eyeshadow. Now, this step actually really kind of pulls in the whole look and completes it and just brings it all together. If you have light eyes, it's really going to give you that extra little pop as well too. Okay, because I want to use as little tools as possible, I'm using Younique's brush cleaner. This stuff is magic. You spray 1 to 2 sprays on a paper towel, you wipe, and then your brush is instantly clean as well as dry. La! Okay, so for the next color, we're gonna be using FERVENT. It's this beautiful matte burgundy shade. I absolutely am obsessed. Then I'm taking Younique's blending brush and concentrating on the outer corners of my eyes. As you can see, I'm concentrating below the crease line. I'm not going above it. I'm making almost like a triangle or a sideways V, however you want to look at it. But I am starting with not too much product and working my way up. These are highly pigmented, so you really don't need that much. So remember, start with a little and work your way up, just because it's going to be a lot harder to go in reverse. So I'm really concentrating on the outer corners of my eyes and staying below that crease line. Again, if you don't have a crease line, this is really going to help define that line for you. Now, I went ahead and added just a little bit more because I do like it a little bit darker, but you can do as much as you want. Remember, you are the boss. Now for the next color, we have this beautiful bright gold shimmer called Alive. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? Now I'm taking Younique's synthetic cream shadow brush and placing it in the inner corners of my eyes. Now, as you can see, I'm really packing in that shimmer shadow in. I'm not really sweeping across or doing any kind of windshield wiper motions. I'm really kind of packing it in that inner corner. Then I'm taking the shadow and going all the way until a little past where I ended the burgundy color. So this way, the colors look nice and blended together, as opposed to a straight line where you stop the burgundy and straight line where you started the shimmer. So you want to go a little past the burgundy so the colors look nice and blended together. Now you want to make sure to be using the synthetic cream shadow brush as opposed to the fluffy brush. It's really going to compact that shimmer right into the inner corners of your eye, and it's gonna give it such a beautiful shine and really make it pop. Now this next step is completely optional. If you wet your brush with a little bit of setting spray, this will give you even more of a pop. Then I'm taking the blending brush and just going in the outer corners of my eyes with that color Fervent, so the shimmer shadow and the matte shadow are nice and blended together and there's no harsh lines. Our last shadow we're going to be using is called Optimistic. This is such a beautiful color. You can use it as a highlighter. It's so pigmented and you'll be shining bright like a diamond. Then I'm taking a tiny bit and putting on the inner corners of my eyes. It's just going to give yourself a nice little highlight. This shadow is so pigmented, so you don't need a lot. Then I'm going to be highlighting my brow bone. I love doing this because it actually makes me look more awake. It makes me look like I got some sleep, and it really kind of makes it look like my brows are lifted as well too. So it looks like mama got some sleep last night. This is the completed look without any mascara or eyeliner, so I'm gonna grab my favorite waterproof Epic mascara. Bam, there you go. There is the completed look with eyeliner as well as mascara. The eyeliner is definitely optional, but this look is so easy to do, so fast, so it doesn't matter if you're a girl on the go, if you are just a beginner or advanced, this look is going to look good on everyone. Thanks guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of the day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.